This tutorial is for desktop computer, but if you are on mobile, then click on your Facebook account, profile picture, then pages, and then select create. The next setup process is same for desktop and on mobile. Please watch complete video for some useful tips. On desktop, click dotted menu button and then under create, select page. Enter the name of Facebook page, choose a category and write a short introduction about your page. Do not worry because you can change everything after creating the Facebook page. Click on create page, enter your contact and location details. You can also change it later. At next window, upload profile picture and cover photo of the Facebook page. You can get Dozero service for creating a professional Facebook profile picture and page cover. For action button, you have multiple options such as messenger message, WhatsApp message, call or contact us. For example, in contact us field, I have entered the link of my website. On next window, you can connect your WhatsApp number with Facebook page. Select done and your Facebook business page is ready. To switch between personal and business profile, click on your profile picture. Click settings to change the name of your Facebook page. At first priority, you should select a cool username of Facebook page. Username should be as short as possible because it becomes integral part of your Facebook URL in browser. If a username is not available, you can try some other options. Please never change the username of your page later. Otherwise, all shared links of your posts will break. Select About tab and enter business information about page such as email, website and business hours. You can add links of your other social media accounts such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. To do that, select a social media platform, for example Twitter. Now open your Twitter account, copy the username from there and paste it in the username field of the Facebook page. To remove the reviews tab from Facebook page, watch next video. Link in description. Thanks for watching and liking this video.